our amazing, job secured, and high profile subject matter expert level SME level Postgres DBA training program from scratch, from the basics. For last 2 decades, we have been specialized in the database platform with our 100% hands-on step-by-step training classes and real-time projects from our SQL School Training Institute. Assume a car. It has different spare parts to be designed, assembled. The car goes live on road for service and maintenance and repair activities in the long run. The same is the case with the database. Database developers will be involved in design and programming the databases. Then the database goes live into customer hands. Then comes maintenance, repairs, security, troubleshooting, health checks, etc. And this is our actual job role, DBA, database administrator. We are the database doctors. As a DBA, we will be responsible for maintenance, security, performance, troubleshooting, repairs, updates, migrations, data loss, recovery, and customer support activities 24/7. No doubt, the things are very interesting and very, very useful in the long run. No project exists without DBA in database platform. Database administrators are the database doctors. They are needed for every project to ensure 24/7 availability and consistent delivery uptime of data and databases. Now the question, can I become a DBA? Yes, you can. You are at the right place. Our database is designed for you. Starters, experienced IT professionals, or even non-IT professionals will find our course very, very useful and lucrative, detailed step-by-step with 100% hands-on. Now, there are different options before your table to select and become a DBA. We have Postgres, Microsoft SQL DBA, always in the limelight. These three options, you choose any one. Select your niche and choose SQL School. This particular short demo Postgres SQL DBA, the first one in the list. Postgres is an open source platform. Our PostgreSQL database administration training classes are carefully curated to suit your learning requirements. Postgres is a powerful object relational database management system. It combines the reliability of traditional SQL databases with most advanced features, including big data and AI, artificial intelligence. And this DBA, we will be responsible for database design and implementation, performance tuning, backup and recovery, security and access management. As a DBA, we'll be working with development of the backup strategies, testing recovery procedures, configure the replications, and implement something called failover. If something goes bad, get the data live online automatically from a standby copy. In our DBA classes, we have a proper roadmap to practically experience all aspects of database administration activities from scratch, slowly, step by step. The complete course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 is a cloud. Module 2 will step into cloud. Module 3, real-time projects for your resume. Let's get started now. Let's understand more about this particular awesome, true DBA training program. From scratch, from the very basics. Yes, the entire course is planned for total of 6 weeks core DB, 3 weeks Azure, total it is for 9 weeks. In this training program, we'll be taking from scratch introduction to Postgres, then slowly step into installations on Windows, Linux, command line installation issues and solutions. We'll be learning configurations, data directories. We'll be learning about database cluster creations and configurations with uses on Windows and Linux. We'll be working with process and memory architecture. We'll be working with something called creation of objects, security concepts and privileges. We also need to learn about the tools, PSQL and pgadmin tools and catalog concepts. Then comes CRUD operations. And then comes something called table spaces. And with all these first 9 chapters basics comes the true DBA activities backups, advanced backups, and something called multi-version concurrency control MVCC. We'll be learning about vacuum, analyze, and database maintenance activities. We'll be learning about joins, constraints, indexes, types, B-tree hash and expression, performance tuning concepts. Various levels of performance tuning we need to learn in our classes in Postgres DBA, including data loading, extensions, and we'll be learning about high availability and replication concepts. Then we'll be learning about HA, high availability at advanced level. That includes logical replication, streaming replication, automatic failover, PG pool, and repmgr tool, and PAT RONI and other tools, also called patroning and other tools for day-to-day management activities as a DBA. Then comes the concept of HADR strategies, the required tools and softwares. Then we'll be taking server parameters, partitions, use case scenarios, and tools required for the day-to-day database monitoring. Finally, we'll step into migrations and updates and patch activities, and conclude the concept of core Postgres DBA with monitoring, Grafana and monitoring concepts. Then we'll step into module 2, Azure. We'll be learning about the Azure cloud concepts for Postgres DBA. Then we'll be learning about the Azure deployments in Postgres concepts. We'll be learning about the Azure CRUD operations, very important migrations. We'll be learning about automated backups, restore and point in time recovery activities we are going to learn. We'll be learning about performance tuning concepts in Azure, including HADR, high availability and disaster recovery with security principles. No doubt, things are very straightforward, bit lengthy to ensure secured job activities. Trust me, trust us. Things are very simple and straight. We'll make it easier for you. Just ensure, friends, on-time practice throughout the course. We look forward for your participation in the classes. Please do reach us today to enroll for the actual classes. See you there in our actual classes with the complete hands-on, detailed notes, concept-wise assignments, weekly mock interviews, and resume support. We'll take care of your technical requirements. See you there in our live classes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye-bye. See you soon. Thank you so much.